Now that our strike water is at 77 degrees, we're ready to mash in. We're looking for an optimal temperature of 67 degrees Celsius. And when we mash in, the water along with the grain mixed together, we will expect a 10-degree drop in temperature. Okay, now we're ready to mash in. You want to make sure your spigot's closed. Add half of your strike water. Half of your grain. And stir. So we're stirring the mash. We want to make sure that everything's smooth, that there's no clumps. Helps if you have a paddle with a hole in it, because it allows you the grain to go through and mix everything in. Pour the rest of your strike water in. And the rest of your grain. And continue stirring. Now that everything's stirred in, make sure the lid's on tight to keep the heat in. We're going to let this sit for an hour while we convert the starches to sugar. Now that our mash is converting, we're going to heat up our sparge water, 16 liters to 90 degrees. Now that the mash has been converting for 15 minutes, we're going to do something called first runnings, which is recirculating the liquid through the grain. This sets up the grain bed. You can do this 2 or 3 times during the mash. Snap your lid on tight again, keep the heat in.